New car, fresh keys, full tank. But your mileage is dropping already? Most people think new cars automatically deliver top fuel efficiency. But that's far from true. A brand new engine is like a rookie athlete. It needs training, not abuse. The way you drive, fuel, and even brake determines whether you get the claimed mileage or lose it fast. So before you blame the car, here are the real-world habits that make your new ride sip fuel instead of guzzling it. Number 11. Warm up your engine smartly. When it's cold out, honestly, you can't help but let your car sit for a bit. We've all done it. Turn the key, crank the heat, and wait for that frost to melt. But here's the deal. Long idling doesn't really do your ride any favors. You're just burning gas for nothing. Modern engines don't need that kind of babysitting. They're built to warm up faster when you're actually driving. So instead of sitting there for 10 minutes, give it about 30 to 60 seconds, then roll out easy. No need to floor it, just light pressure on the pedal until things heat up. You'll save fuel, your engine will stay happier, and your exhaust won't be choking out the air. Plus, your wallet will thank you at the pump. A smooth start on the move beats a smoky idle any day. And once you're rolling, there's another easy way to stretch that fuel: Eco Mode. Number 10. Hit that Eco Mode. Cars today come loaded with every fancy gadget you can think of. Ventilated seats, parking cameras, mood lights, you name it. Somewhere along the way, the good old "how much mileage does it give" got lost in the noise. But for the folks who still care about mileage more than mood lighting, there's one feature made just for you: Eco Mode. You'll find it in rides like the Nexon, Harrier, Creta, and even the Honda City. The idea is simple. When you turn on Eco Mode, your car chills out. It limits engine power a bit, so instead of pushing all 100 horses, it might use just 75. That means less fuel is burnt and more kilometers per liter. It's not exactly saving the planet, but it sure helps your wallet. You might feel a little less punch on the accelerator, but the payoff comes when you see fewer visits to the pump. So next time you're cruising, hit that Eco button and let your car do the saving for you. But even with the Eco Mode on, your speed can make or break your mileage. Number 9. Keep it under 125. Speed feels great, but only until your fuel gauge drops faster than your playlist changes. Once you cross 125 kilometers per hour, your car starts drinking fuel like it's free. Studies even show that driving at 100 kilometers per hour can be up to 40% more fuel efficient than speeding at 125. That's a huge difference for just a small cut in speed. Most cars aren't built for high-speed cruising anyway. They don't have tall gearing, so when you push harder, the engine spins faster. More RPM means more fuel burned, plain and simple. So even though your ride might feel powerful, your wallet will feel weaker. If you're on an open highway where high speeds are safe and legal, make sure you're using the top gear, 6th, 7th, or even 9th if you've got it. Higher gears keep RPM low and mileage high. So ease off that accelerator a little. You'll still reach your destination, just with more fuel left in the tank. And while you're cruising efficiently, don't let open windows ruin the aerodynamics. Number 8. Keep those windows up and AC on. It might sound strange, but keeping your windows rolled up on highways actually saves more fuel than turning off the AC. Yeah, it feels nice to let the breeze in, but once you hit higher speeds, that fresh air costs you mileage. Here's why. Open windows mess with your car's aerodynamics. When air rushes inside, it creates extra drag. Basically, your car has to push harder to move forward. More drag means the engine works overtime, and that burns more fuel. Now, sure, running the AC also uses fuel, but on highways, the trade-off works in your favor. A smooth aerodynamic body slices through the air better than one with all the windows down. So, if you're cruising at 100 kilometers per hour or more, roll those windows up, let the AC handle the comfort, and keep your car gliding efficiently. City driving? That's a different story. Feel free to enjoy the breeze there. But on highways, windows up is the smarter move for both comfort and economy. Now, while you're at it, trimming some extra weight helps even more. Number 7. Lighten the load. The more your car weighs, the harder your engine has to work. It's that simple. Every extra bag, box, or random thing in your trunk quietly eats into your fuel economy. If you're driving a small hatchback, that weight makes an even bigger difference. For example, an extra 50 kilos can bump your car's total weight by around 5%. That might not sound like much, but it's enough to drop your mileage noticeably. Your engine burns more fuel just to haul around stuff you probably don't even need. Heavier cars feel this a bit less, but they already use more fuel to begin with. So, the best move is to keep your ride light. Clear out the boot, ditch the unnecessary tools or old junk you've been dragging around, and you'll notice smoother drives and fewer stops at the gas station. A lighter car doesn't just save fuel, it also feels more responsive. So travel lean, let your car breathe, and your mileage will thank you. And once you've lightened the load, make sure your tires are ready to roll efficiently. Number 6. Check that tire pressure. Your tires do more than just roll. They decide how much fuel your car burns. They're the only part of your vehicle touching the road, so the way they grip directly affects performance and mileage. When tire pressure drops below the recommended level, the tires flatten slightly, spreading more rubber on the road. That extra contact means more friction, and more friction means your engine has to work harder to move forward. An underinflated tire might not seem like a big deal, but it can easily shave off your fuel efficiency and raise your fuel bills. The car feels heavier, slower, and hungrier for gas. On the other hand, properly inflated tires roll smoother, reduce drag, and help your engine breathe easy. So if you want better mileage, make tire pressure checks a habit. A quick stop at a petrol pump to top up air can save you a lot in the long run. Keep your tires healthy, and your wallet and your car will stay happy. Next, let's focus on how you shift, because timing those gear changes is everything. But before we get into it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more interesting car breakdowns. Number 5. Shift smart, save fuel. Good mileage isn't just about what car you drive, it's also about how you drive it. One of the easiest ways to stretch your fuel tank is by shifting gears at the right time. If you keep revving the engine too high, you're basically pouring extra fuel into it for no reason. Smooth, timely gear changes keep the RPM in the sweet spot and make your drive more efficient. Here's a quick guide. For petrol cars, shift between 2,000 and 2,500 RPM. For diesel cars, 1,500 to 2,000 RPM is ideal. Staying within these limits means your engine works smarter, not harder. Avoid bad habits like riding the clutch or dropping gears too quickly. They don't just hurt your mileage, they also wear out the gearbox faster, which means bigger repair bills later. Smooth shifting keeps your engine relaxed, your drive comfortable, and your fuel gauge steady. It's a small change that makes a big difference every time you hit the road. But smart driving isn't just about gears, it starts with the route you choose. Number 4. Plan your drive smartly. Nothing kills mileage faster than sitting still in traffic. Your car burns fuel without moving an inch, and that wasted time adds up. The best way to beat it? Plan your route before you even start the engine. Apps like Google Maps, Waze, and Map My India can show real-time traffic so you can skip jammed roads and long signals. Even taking a slightly longer route that keeps you moving is better than crawling in stop-and-go traffic. Every minute your car idles, you're throwing away fuel. If you can, drive during non-peak hours when the roads are clear. Avoid routes with too many turns or signals. They might look shorter, but they cost more fuel. A smooth, steady drive saves gas and keeps your car running efficiently. So next time you're heading out, plan ahead. Let your phone guide you to the quickest, calmest, and most fuel-friendly way to get there. Number 3. Maintain it. Save more fuel. A car that's taken care of will always give you better mileage. Regular service helps your engine breathe, burn, and perform efficiently. Start with the air filter. When it's clogged, your engine struggles to pull in enough air, forcing it to work harder and waste more fuel. Replacing or cleaning it regularly makes a noticeable difference. Tune-ups are just as important. They keep everything, from spark plugs to sensors, working in sync for smoother performance. A well-maintained engine also burns fuel more completely, which means you get more kilometers out of every liter. Plus, skipping maintenance might save you a few bucks now, but it'll cost a lot more later in repairs and fuel bills. Therefore, stick to your service schedule, check your fluids, and don't ignore small warning signs. A healthy car runs cleaner, smoother, and longer, saving both fuel and money every time you drive. And once you've mastered smart routes, make sure your car itself stays in top shape. Number 2. Choose quality fuel always. Your car's performance depends heavily on what you feed it. Using poor quality fuel might save a few bucks up front, but it can quietly cost you much more over time. Cheap or contaminated fuel often carries impurities that clog fuel injectors and mess with your engine's rhythm. And when that happens, your car burns fuel less efficiently and starts losing power. Low-quality fuel can also cause incomplete combustion, which wastes fuel and builds up carbon deposits inside the engine. Over time, that leads to rough idling, poor mileage, and even expensive repairs. So, to keep things running smooth, always fill up at trusted fuel stations that maintain good storage and filtration systems. Stick to high-quality petrol or diesel. It keeps your engine cleaner, your mileage steady, and your car's performance at its best. But even the best fuel won't help if you're filling up at the wrong place. Number 1. Stick to trusted fuel pumps. Where you fill up matters just as much as what you fill up with. Good quality fuel from a trusted station keeps your car running smoother, boosts mileage, and saves you from costly repairs down the road. Adulterated or low-grade fuel might look cheaper, but it clogs injectors, hurts combustion, and makes your engine struggle to perform. Always go for stations that have a solid reputation and steady traffic. High sales pumps usually mean fresher, cleaner fuel with less chance of contamination. Avoid sketchy or rarely visited outlets where fuel might sit too long in the tanks. Choosing a reliable brand ensures your car gets what it deserves. Pure, well-filtered fuel that burns clean and efficiently. Over time, that means better mileage, fewer tune-ups, and a healthier engine. And there you have it, 11 ways to increase your new car's mileage. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comments below, and click here for the next one. Thanks for watching.